In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI headshot in Canva. If you need a polished, professional looking photo for something like LinkedIn, your resume, or a team profile, but you do not have time to book a photo shoot, Canva can make this process much easier. Instead of struggling with awkward crops, messy backgrounds, or low quality pictures, you can use Canva's built in AI tools to turn a simple photo into a clean, corporate style headshot. To begin, open Canva and start with the right canvas size. This matters because headshots look best when they are created in a square format that matches common profile image dimensions. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design, then search for Profile Picture or Square. Choose the profile picture size, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels. This gives you a clean workspace and helps your final image stay sharp and properly framed. Once your blank design is open, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Apps. This is where Canva's additional AI tools are stored. In the search bar, type something like AI headshot, face to photo, or avatars. Then browse the available options and choose a suitable tool such as Magic Media, Dolly, or another portrait related app that appears in Canva. When you open the app, it will connect directly to your current workspace so you can begin creating inside the same design. Next, upload a reference photo. Look for a button such as Upload Photo or Select File. Then choose a clear front-facing image from your computer. For the best results, use a photo with good lighting and a clear view of your face. Avoid anything where your features are hidden by sunglasses, hats, or heavy shadows because the AI needs a clean reference to build a convincing result. After that, set up the style of your headshot. In the prompt or style settings area, describe the kind of photo you want. For example, you can ask for a professional corporate headshot with formal clothing, a clean office background, realistic skin texture, and studio lighting. If the app includes style options like realistic, photography, or corporate portrait, turn those on to guide the result more accurately. When everything is ready, click Generate or Create Image. Canva will process your request and usually give you several versions to choose from. Review the results carefully and select the one that looks most natural and professional. Place it onto your canvas, then set it as the background so it fits neatly within the square frame. Finally, click Share or Download in the top right corner and export the image as a PNG file for the best clarity. And that's it. You now have a professional AI headshot made directly in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.